Water is life.
Number 1. Drink sufficient water daily. It is essential to drink an adequate amount of water every day. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. Number 2. Start your day with water. Drink water as soon as you wake up in the morning. This helps kickstart your metabolism and provides necessary hydration. Number 3. Don't drink water before breakfast. Avoid drinking water before breakfast as it can weaken digestion. Number 4. Drink water after meals. Wait for some time after meals, then have water. This allows proper digestion of food nutrients. Number 5. Don't sip water. Drink in full. Instead of sipping water, try to drink it in full glasses. Sipping water may not provide sufficient hydration. Number 6. Use warm water. Prefer drinking warm water, as it aids digestion, helps detoxify the body, and can have a soothing effect. Number 7. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Caffeinated beverages, like coffee and tea as well as alcoholic drinks, can contribute to dehydration. Limit your consumption of these drinks and balance them with adequate water intake. Number 8. Adjust water intake in extreme conditions. In extreme weather conditions such as hot or humid environments, increase your water intake to compensate for additional fluid loss through sweating. Number 9. Individual water needs. Remember that individual water needs may vary based on factors such as age, body weight, activity level, and overall health. Consult a healthcare professional if you have specific concerns. Number 10. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and drink water when you feel thirsty. Remember that thirst is a sign that your body needs hydration, so don't ignore it.
These principles water are general guidelines for drinking, but it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe,
Like
share
my channel.